Hello everyone, my name is John from Vulgar Kitten Studios, and in this WordPress tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to just basically prepare to start adding content and give you some ideas of some plugins that are available to you to make your life easier. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up my browser, and I have my dashboard opened here, and I'm just going to come over to my plugins and I'm going to go ahead and add a new. So I'm going to add the plugin Tiny MCE Advanced. So we'll go ahead and search for that, and we'll go ahead and install that. And this just gives us a better interface to customize our WYSIWYG editor that we use to create our pages and stuff. And so we'll also go ahead and add a new, and I want to get WP Google Fonts. So we got to search for that, and this one right here we'll just go ahead and install now. And go ahead and activate that. And the last one that I'm going to grab is called Easy Bootstrap Shortcode. So just Easy Bootstrap Shortcode. And this is great because it allows us to take advantage of all the Bootstrap 3 features without actually having a Bootstrap theme, and it's done all through shortcodes that have shortcuts in the TinyMCE toolbar. So we'll go ahead and install this and click OK. And we'll go ahead and activate the plugin. Firstly, let's go ahead and configure that one. So let's go over to EBS settings, and you'll get these options. You can actually load the Bootstrap JS file and Internet 6 compatibility JS file from CDNs if you want to, and you can specify the content delivery network that you want, or you can just use them built into the EBS platform. And that's what I like to do. Just because they're already here, I'm going to go ahead and make use of those. And also, I'm not running a Bootstrap theme, so I'm just going to go ahead and click the setting for no Bootstrap theme. And now I'll just go on down here and we can leave that checked on. We'll go ahead and update the settings, and if we go into settings, we can also see we have a new tab for Tiny MCE Advanced. So I'll come in here, and you can actually decide how you want to organize this. So you can drag all of this stuff around and organize your Tiny MCE editor however you want, and you can add features and delete features however you want to do it. And the defaults are pretty good for me. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like that. I'm going to go to my pages, and I'm going to go to all pages and just go down to home, and we'll update this a little bit. So by default you shouldn't actually see this. This toggle toolbar would be closed, but if you click this toggle toolbar, then you'll automatically get all of these brand new Bootstrap features added to your TinyMCE menu. So let's just update the home page a little bit. I'm actually going to go first of all into Google Font settings, and I'm going to first Google Fonts. Google Fonts. Wow. And I actually kind of like the Ubuntu fonts, so I'm going to check this out, and we got some different kind of examples of fonts that we can use. And I'm going to check out this just regular Ubuntu stuff here, and I'm going to go ahead and select Ubuntu for the font, and now we can decide what we actually want to do with it. And I want to use it on all of my headings, so everything that I have a heading for, I want to use that Ubuntu font. So I'm going to go ahead and select all of that and save the font. And now I'll go back into pages, all pages, and home, and I want, let's see, insert, no, format, heading 1, and I want to say professional independent developers for higher. And of course we want to do that. I probably shouldn't put a period there. I'm gonna shift home and make this align to the center. And beneath here, I'm also going to align this to the center. But let me do a button. So I'm going to create a button with our bootstrap here, and I'm going to give it a link. I'm going to send it to services. So the services slug, and the title I'll say learn more. The style, let's make it a primary, and the size, let's make it large. The style, we'll just leave it default, and this should be good. So we'll go ahead and insert the button, and so this shortcode has been generated for us. Let's go ahead and just update, and I'll right click and open the site, and so now I can see that, and it doesn't look like that actually went aligned to the center, which isn't exactly what I wanted. Let's see, button style, and I want to say text, or no, let's see what we can do with this. Well, for now, create a button, or what else do we have? Button shortcode. Okay, so simple. I want primary, large, link, and we can even select a glyph icon. Okay, so let's say something like this, and the icon color, make block, title, services, and we'll just go ahead and align left and align center, see if that'll work. I'll update, and there we go. Okay, so now we got a learn more button right there, and it looks like we get this underline here, but we can deal with that a little bit later on. Let's go ahead and click it, and that takes us to our services page. So that's working out, and yeah, so now we can start making some reasonable content for our website now. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a future video.